Hey, what's going on, traders? Trader Delights. Just want to make a quick video on how to make a watch list or scan for potential tickers that could be in play in the next couple of days. So kind of more of a swing list, watch list, but kind of just get your feet wet playing with Finviz.com. So Finviz.com is a great website to figure out and to look for tickers with charts that could potentially be a good setup. So for this case, we're looking for some stocks that could potentially uh, be bullish. So we'll go to finviz.com, go to your screener. For this instance, I like to trade things that are small caps, right? And that has over 1.5 relative volume. So increasing volume within the ticker shows interest. If a lot of people are interested, then I'm going to be interested, right? I'm day trading these tickers, so the more volume, the better. Price, I like things under $15. That's just my criteria. Like I said, you can come up here and change all the filters. So I clicked on the All tab. You'll see more filters that you can mess around and play with. So for this example, I was saying like, hey, maybe let's build a watch list that we could potentially find things that we could swing. We're gonna be busy next couple of days, or you don't have too much time to focus on the market. For me, let's start off with 20-day simple moving average. So I like that to be above the 20. That kind of gives a bullish sign for the stock, and then you can kind of mess around it. So you have the 50-day. Let's say, hey, I want things above the 50-day also. And then you also have things up above the 200 simple moving average. So price above the simple moving average. You want the change to be up to maybe 5%, up 5%. And you can kind of see right here the page. You got two pages already. And what I like to do is click on this volume column, where it shows the most volume in the past couple of days, and I go to snapshot. And then with snapshot, it brings up your charts. So for example, today, January 22nd, 2020, GMPX was in play, TRIL was in play, GNMX was in play, EXPR was in play. So it catches the tickers that's kind of moving already, but you could potentially find some things that that's not on the radar for most people. SUP was in play today. CVN was in play today. QTT, and then if you're bearish on a lot of these tickers, then this could be a potential screener for you to watch, to put on your list to short. AGTC, I'm sorry, was in play. And that's what I usually do every single night. And I just run through the charts. It's something that catches my eye, that has potential. It shows the news. Some of it, could be fluff news, or some of it could be actual good news. Do your DD on it. But I'm just saying, this is a quick way for me to look for tickers to trade, and things to keep things on the watch list for potential swings that catches my eye. That's an uptrend moment. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video about this. A lot of people have asked, like, hey, how do you find tickers to trade, or how do you know what's in play? What things do you trade? So this is just one of the few screens that I kind of use. Like I said, I play around with this a lot, nonstop, to kind of fit a criteria. Say, for example, I see something like BPTH that ran, I think it was last year or 2 years ago, and I try to figure out, like, what was the criteria for that? What was the flow for that stock? What was the pattern? And I try to use that criteria to figure out, like, hey, there's any other stocks, kind of like that. APTX, wow, look at that, just kind of breaking out. VLRS, BBW. I mean, Finviz is a powerful website. It's free. You can sign up for an account for free. You'll save all your presets for your screeners, and you can just create screeners after screeners. Like I said, it doesn't cost. I don't get a kickback for this. Check out the website. It's awesome. I just want to start making free content out. Trader Delights. pushing out free content for traders, new beginners that want to get involved in day trading. Like I said, it's not something that you do full time. If it's something it's a hobby. It's fun, right? But check it out, guys. Go and like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel. I'll try to push out free content weekly. Just kind of help you guys out. All right. Peace.